Okay. I would like to welcome you to this special presentation of none other than the one and only Shopify. Now, what is Shopify? Excuse me. Shopify is a expensive, well-known brand for websites, if you're not familiar yet. They do offer this 14 days, no credit card check required. With that being said, everything that they offer, we also offer, except no limits. So what that means is unlimited stores, unlimited products that you can add, unlimited users or staff accounts is what they want to refer to it as. There is not 24/7 support unless you pay for that, but you won't be needing it, as I'm pretty adamant about getting back. You can have unlimited stores, so unlimited locations, manual order creation, discount codes, free SSL certificate, abandoned cart recovery, gift cards, professional reports, advanced report builder, all this stuff we offer, third-party calculated shipping rates, all this. We also, in the e-commerce ads expressive package, we also offer products with shipping. So we have over 700,000 products for you to choose from that are all retail value. They're all wholesale value, ready for you to mark up retail price on. So essentially, we use PayPal for processing. So whatever their rates are, you can use whatever service you like. We have every service in the back office. I mean, I use PayPal, but there's so many. You can use Klarna, all kinds of different options. You can even accept money in person if you really want to. So, what it comes down to is they charge $2.99 per month for 2 retail stores. Okay, and you can have unlimited. So 2 retail stores at that price is insane. One retail store, $7.99. $79 US dollars. Okay, so essentially you would pay for roughly 4 months here for the price it is there right now for our product and our service. And this does not include all this stuff you see. This does not include plugins in the marketplace. Okay, because that's another thing is people don't mention is, yeah, once you have your store up, great, but you also have all these plugins that they offer and themes and all kinds of different things that they just charge you for. Okay, I'm not looking to do all that. We're looking to just get you going and with the least amount of fees possible with the most amount of leverage. And that's basically what we're after. That's the end game goal. On top of all that, you get email accounts that are matching your business domain. And what's the last thing? Oh yeah, this all comes back, assured with your satisfaction for a full 30 days. So if for any reason for the next 30 days you decide that this isn't for you, you can always contact the support and get in touch with us, and we will happily give you a refund. Thank you. Please check out what we have below.